back to another tutorial about a concept that I wish was out there when I was doing my own side project. So I thought I'd make a little step-by-step kind of showing you how I did it. And yeah, so this would be inserting images over GUI using JLabels and buffered images. So yeah, I usually try to keep my videos to like 1 minute 30, just kind of show you the lines you need to get out of here. But there's some bugs that come with this, with the try catch, resizing the images, stuff like that, and the path. So show you every bug I ran into and kind of just go through it. Very efficient though. All the code is in the description too, so if you need to copy and paste the line, go to there. No need to type it off of the screen. So yeah, let's kind of show. I wrote an example program to kind of illustrate my point here. So if you run it, it's going to pull up the Suns logo. I'm a Phoenix Suns fan. When I'm making this video, they just got destroyed by Luka and the Mavs, so tough time. But this is the image I have in there. So yeah, so it's going to use this try catch right here to make this example pic, this buffered image, read it in from the SRC, and then it's going to cast it as an image icon to be able to make it a JLabel. Boring stuff, but yeah, that's how it does it. So yeah, I guess we can kind of start from scratch and just do this again. Okay, that's for resizing. So let's do this again with this picture of this coffee. You can save it. We'll just call it e-coffee. That was not good. And yeah, we'll save it to downloads. Cool. And then if we go back in here, so just right now I should try to drag into the SRC. E-coffee, cool. And back into SRC, factor it, nice. So to be able to pull up the image that you want from your SRC, so e-coffee is in here. I have a few other ones. You might see a different coffee one, but it's fine. So you're going to copy the path of reference. And I think the safest is just do it from the SRC. Anytime you export a project, you usually have the SRC. I just hate doing it from source through because it could get weird. So just use the SRC one. So now it's copied. Cool. Now we're here. And the only thing wrong with this is you don't know how big the image is that you pulled in. So like, say I rerun this coffee could just take up the entire screen. Let's see what happens. Yeah, see, it's just weird. And I spent so long trying to find a method that could set the pixel size to what you wanted to. And there's just nothing out there right now that kind of works. And I went to it for one of my CS buddies and I was like, hey, do you know how to do this? And he immediately kind of suggested that I just resize the image by going to a website that can just do that. So I was like, oh, I should have just done that to start with. So that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to select, so right now, if you see set bounds, I have the width set to 150 and the height set to 100. This website is really good because sometimes when you resize stuff, it has to like be like perfect with the aspect ratio. This website lets you set to whatever you want it to be. So I will also link this website in the description. But yeah. So get this aspect ratio gone. And yeah, it was huge. So width 150. And then I also, what did I say, 100? So yeah, 100. And then let's just resize the image. Might show me an ad, but it is so worth it. Download. Not trying to pitch this anyway, but cool. But yeah. So now let's drag this e-coffee. Wait, did that download the... I don't like that. That's, we'll call it resize C. Cool. Whatever. And I'm going to the downloads. Should be resized. Nice. Back into the SRC. Cool. Where's resize? Should be down here. And then let's copy this path of reference from the SRC. And bang. Rerun this and hopefully it is the right size. Nice. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's a lot of random bugs you can run into, but yeah, this try catch is the main part of the actual code that you need, and then I'll have that website linked. And yeah, a few other things. If you need any of the imports, if they don't automatically pop up, they're up there. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, if you're curious how I just have this image in a random spot in the frame, it's this line right here, the set layout, because a lot of people struggle with north, south, and the grid and stuff like that. So if you just use this little set layout null, you can set the bounds to whatever you want. I hope this helped. And if you have any other questions, suggestions for GUI videos, feel free to reach out and have a good day.